Hey, it's a Humble Collector here, and we got another unboxing video. And to be perfectly honest, I don't really remember what's in there. I know it's paper documents. I don't know from when. I don't know from what organizations. I know there's some letters in there. So this is going to be as exciting for me as it is for you guys. I'm going to just dive right in here. Yeah, I really like the paper documents. I think they're very interesting. They tell a lot of interesting information, lots of stories. So whenever I see a lot come up that's cheap, I tend to try to get it. So this is going to be interesting to see what's actually in here. And oh, look at that. If there's anything else in there. Nope. Alright. Put on my gloves before I open that. So, yeah, with these paper documents, I'm just going to post the pictures of them at the end of this video. Let you guys take a look at them. Alright. So, like I said, I still really don't know what's in here. So, tape. There we go. Okay. I knew there was some felt post in here, which I'm excited about, because two of them still have letters in them. So we'll just start taking everything out here one at a time. Oh, there's some felt post for you right there. Stated 1944. I believe this is the one that didn't have any letters in it, yeah. But the other two should have the letters with them, which should be interesting. Pretty cool. Next piece of felt post here. All right. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That is quite the letter, my word. Look at that. That's really amazing. It's a short story. Wow, that's... I can't wait to start trying to translate that. You even have to write on the side. Wow. April 1942. From Rusland. Oh, wow. So Eastern Front. That's really... I can't wait to see what's on there. I might have to translate that and do a video on that. That's pretty cool. We got another letter. Right here. This one's also from 1942. Come on. I'll have a one hand free to open bags. There we go. Okay, now that it's open, I'll put my glove back on. Okay, 1942. Oh wow, double-sided note. Yeah, pretty cool. That one looks like it might be harder to translate though. That's it looks very cursive. Yeah, cursiv's pretty hard to read when it's in English most of the time. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so now we'll move on to the actual documents and papers that are in here. All right, so here's the first one. January of 1944. And this was actually transferred to the Serial Records Division of the Library of Congress, August 1st, 1945. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. That's a lot of German. What I expect is German printing, but yeah. Ooh. That is not in very good condition. But at least this one is already ripped in half, unlike my my newspaper that fell apart when I tried to read it last time. But that's pretty cool. Alright. Oh wow, look at all that paper that just fell off there. That is impressive. It's another newspaper, December of 1942. Got a guy in a Stahlhelm on the front. I'm afraid to open this. Yeah, it's been taped. At the bottom has 1943. Oh, it's because it's December 31st. December 31st up here. And then, focus. There we go. Yeah, December 31st, 1942 up here. And then I guess New Year's 1943. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty interesting paper. I think there's like 2 or 3 more in here. Alright, well I know that symbol, that's the DAF, or the German Labor Front. So this must be their newspaper, newsletter. Also for the Serial Records Division of Library of Congress, July 6, 1944. This is the November 1943 issue of this. Which it looks like there was a card taped to the front of it at one point that's gone now. This one's actually in pretty good condition, like I'm not afraid of this one falling apart like the other one. But yeah. Yeah, really, this is really interesting. So look at the ads on the back. I think those are really cool. For aspirin. Even more ads. The Bank of Germany. I don't know what that's an ad for. And so, yeah, pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. And this is the April 1943 issue of, I believe this is the Hitler Youth magazine. At least that's what I'm gathering from down there. I don't know. Yeah, I really need to learn some German, because this is, like I said, I like these ads. And I like to be able to read these papers. Oh wow, that's a pretty cool sketch. Oh, dang it. Yeah, all this paper is so fragile. But yeah, for those of you interested in actually collecting like World War II paper articles, like all that, they are super cheap. Like that pack, I think cost me $5 for all of that. So if you're interested in getting into military collecting and you don't want to spend a lot of money, old paper stuff like this, you can find lots of them for super cheap. I mean, that was, like I said, it's like $5 and $5 shipping. So for $10, I got, 5 periodicals, three pieces of felt post, 2 of them have letters in them. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to try to post pictures though, at the end of this video, which is going to make this an incredibly long video. It's already been going 9 minutes now. But, yeah, thank you all for watching. If you'd like to comment down below how terrible I am at figuring out what these actually are and complain about my lack of German skills, please do so. If you'd like to comment about just the content of those, if you think those are interesting, I'd love to hear from you guys. And thank you all for watching.